field goal range for the winning kick by Myers.
Devin Taylor.
I don't know, did he get the face mask?
Well, he hit it. It looked like it. It happened so fast. I could see why they threw the flag. I thought so even from so far away.
All right, well, the ball is spotted.
Yeah, he hits the face mask.
At the 39. How far can Rodgers throw it?
He can make it to the end zone if he gets out of the pocket, gets a little running start. But can the receivers get far enough down the field?
Rodgers in trouble.
It's going to get there.
He turned 32 yesterday. Does he have a vintage moment in him? In the end zone, it is caught for the win. Richard Rodgers with a walk-off touchdown. A game ender for the Packers. Total disbelief at Ford Field. The Packers saved by the face mask call, given one last chance. And Aaron Rodgers heaves it as far as he can. And Richard Rodgers boxing out in the end zone for the touchdown. The son of a former Cal football player.